Hey, good evening traders, it's your boy Zab and we are back with another video. In this video what we're going to go over is something very important, and it's for new traders, and I'm going to teach you guys how to chart like pro. And this is something that every trader should understand, every trader should know. And today we're going to go over some of the charting basics. The first thing what you want to do is you want to pick up a chart, pick up a tag or a symbol as you will, and you want to start there. So in this case, I am going with the ticker is the right. I'm sorry, ticker. You're gonna pick up the ticker, and in this case, it's the JP Morgan Chase is something that I am going to be charting for this demonstration. The first thing you want to do is you want to go on the daily time frame, and you want to mark the highest price point that that ticker has achieved. So in this case, it's going to be 172.96. Made a white line up there. And then you want to basically look at where the prices have bounced multiple times in the past, whether it be bounced from up or whether it be bounced from down. So I'm going to go ahead and start drawing the lines. So in this case, there's a price point here. The price rejected this. It came back to up to this point right here. It came back down. It came back up. It came back down. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this line over here. Sounds about right. So I'm going to do the same thing multiple times over and over again. So something like this. And the reason why I drew this line was rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, and rejected here. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't think on it too much. Just draw your lines. It's a very basic step. All right, let's draw another one. Definitely here, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a good line. Okay, the price rejected over there multiple times. We are going to go ahead and draw the line that are supporting. If you haven't already, you can watch my support and resistance lines. That's basically what we're doing right now. I have created a support and resistance video. You can check it out. But we're going to draw support lines now. Down here. Down here, down here. Down here. Okay, so I went ahead and draw my lines, and I'm like looking at this. I'm like, okay, it looks pretty good. You know, the price touched this, came back down, touched this. So at this point, you're going to get out of your daily time frame, and you're going to go to your 15-minute. Some people like to go to the 4 hours first. You go on your 4 hours. So for instance, oops, don't want to do this. Let's delete this. You go to your 4 hours. I want to show you something in the 4 hours. So the next step is you start drawing trend lines. So the way I trade is I like to draw trend lines, and I only like to trade the trend lines. And trend lines, include them with support and resistance, then you have a really strong idea of what your play is going to be for the day or for the week or for the month. So drawing trend lines is very important, and I'll show you what to do. So if the stock is an uptrend, make sure the uptrend is higher highs and higher lows is basically an uptrend. The downtrend is lower highs and lower lows. That's a downtrend. So higher highs, right? Price is going up. What is a higher high? You take a look at this stock. It's causing 1 high, 2 high, 3 high, 4 high, 5 high, 6 high, right? Higher highs, higher lows. Switch to downtrend, okay? But how I like to trade is I look at for higher lows when it's going in an uptrend. So I'm going to go ahead and create a line from here. This is a higher low. This is a higher low. And if I touch 1, 2, 3 spots, I'm just going to go ahead and create this line. So currently this is going in a uptrend. Over here the uptrend broke, and then it became a downtrend, because then this was a lower high and then broke again. So touch this down. So this is a downtrend. The downtrend broke. All this stuff where the price goes up and down, zigzag, and an M or W is called consolidation. So that's something that we will go over in the later video. Basically, consolidation is after a nice uptrend or a nice downtrend, the price likes to move zigzag, or basically price doesn't move a lot, right? And until it decides its next move. So the next move is going to be the downtrend, and the downtrend, we're gonna take it down here, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and we're gonna draw a line right here. Bam. Okay, so when this breaks, downtrend line breaks, that means that there's a trend break, and now you're switching to an uptrend. So then you can go into your calls. And when you're going into your calls, now this is where the fun begins. Now I was charting this at the 4-hour time frame. You want to go ahead and a 15-minute time frame. This is where I usually like to draw my stuff. So for instance, if I'm looking at this, right? If I'm just starting out, if I'm looking at the JPM and I'm looking at this this tag, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a chart, 15-minute time frame, and this is my support or resistance level. I'm going to mark it up like this, so I know there's one line here. Okay, and I'm then going to start to draw my trend lines. So my trend line is going to be like this. For instance, this is a pretty good trend line. Up, 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 up. This is a pretty good trend line, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bounce 6, 7. You know, you're supporting this on the trend line broke, so you can go in puts. Okay. Similar thing here. It came back down, consolidation, move back up. You know, and then it's going to be consolidation. So if I had to guess what JPM is doing in the next couple of days, and this is just a guess, right? In the 15-minute time frame, seems to be like we were in an uptrend. Okay. And it broke. The uptrend broke, and it just kind of fell down. Even today, it was just falling down. So if I had to guess what JPM is going to do for the next upcoming boys, there's two things that could happen in the next upcoming weeks or days. Either go sideways, consolidation, because there was an uptrend, consolidation, downtrend, or this is just going to keep falling. The stock never moves all the way up all the time. You have to understand that stock goes up and down. Even if it's a all-time up, the stock is not going to keep moving up. It has to consolidate. In this case, you see an uptrend, consolidation, downtrend, you know, downtrend, consolidation, uptrend, consolidation, down, all the way up, consolidation, down. So stock moves up and down. That's what the point is. Going to go back to your 5-minute time frame. And this is how you chart. This is kind of what the basics of charting is. This is how you would chart. And it's super simple. Now, going back to the stock that I trade, like look, this is Tesla. I trade this every single day, all the time, you know. So many lines, so too much going on. All the white lines consist of support and resistance level. The yellow line consists of the overall downtrend. And that's something that I draw. And every line means something here. The strong red bold line means this is a place of rejection or a support over the past period. And today it finally, you know, broke it. This is what I drew this morning. It broke it, and see, when it broke the downtrend from this line, it kept going up. So obviously you have to be careful of your stop losses and your risk reward ratio, because that's very important. But overall, this is how you chart. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Please do subscribe to my channel. I'm a new YouTuber just starting out and currently pumping out a lot of information for people out there who are in need of help. And yeah, I'm here to answer questions. If you want me to make a specific video on a topic, let me know. I'm willing to do that too. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.